Cooking salmon in little paper parcels with beautiful, fragrant ingredients is a great way to make a quick dinner that's a little bit different. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This is one from my new book, It's All About Dinner. Salmon cooked in this way is really delicious and can be ready in less than 30 minutes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 200C or 400F. Whilst the oven's preheating, we're going to make the really simple sauce. In a small bowl, mix together 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 minced clove of garlic, 1½ tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1½ tablespoons of honey. Now that sauce is done, we're going to assemble the parcels. So I've got 2 pieces of parchment paper here that I've cut into circles. Place the circles of parchment on a baking tray. Place a salmon fillet inside each of the parchment circles right in the middle. So now we're going to add in some veggies to go with the salmon. So I've got about 100 grams, which is about 3½ ounces of baby corn here that have been sliced in half. I've also got half a red bell pepper that's been sliced into thin strips. And I've got a small carrot that I've sliced into matchsticks. Just arrange those around the salmon. Now scrunch up the edges of the parchment circles a little so the sauce doesn't run out the sides. And spoon that sauce mixture we made earlier over the salmon fillets. Now slice up a red chilli and arrange that on top of the salmon fillets. You can leave out the chilies entirely if you don't like it too spicy. Okay, now we're going to wrap them up. So take the edges on either side of the salmon and bring them together so they meet. Fold the edges of the parchment paper over several times and then twist the 2 corners so the paper is completely sealed. Make sure there are no gaps for the sauce or for the steam to escape from. Place the baking tray in the oven. We want to cook those for about 18 minutes until the salmon is lovely and tender. Once cooked, remove from the oven and open up the parcels really carefully because some steam will escape. Then sprinkle over some sliced spring onions or scallions, some sesame seeds, and nestle in a couple of lime wedges. I like to serve this salmon in the paper alongside some fluffy boiled rice. There's some really delicious liquid at the bottom of this parcel, which tastes so good just poured right over the rice. This recipe, along with 99 others, is available in my new book, It's All About Dinner. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. See you next time.